a problem here. The old bracket need to be removed. Okay, let's put back second cable like so, and I can use only the top part of the bracket. Okay, for now I leave this thermal shield down because I will need to start the car and check with my thermal vision camera this point here to make sure that it's not overheating. Now inside here I'll grease a little bit the lip of this slave. Perfect. You can see the difference. Next I'll try to clean a little bit this area, but this will need to be washed, vacuumed. I don't have here with me everything. I don't have a vacuum here with me. So I'll try to do whatever I'm able to do with what I have. Okay, now I'll put the new cable, the nut, and I will torque down the nut to 15 Nm.